Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to receive new updates from us. Today, I'm going to explain Class 6 Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Exercise 4. See now first sum, find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization and continued division method. See the first sum 18, 27 and 36. We are going to solve this sum by using first method, that is prime factorization method. Let us see the solution now. 18, 27 and 36 we are going to divide. 2 table, 2 nines are 18, 3 table, 3 threes are 9, again 3 table, 3 ones are 3. Take 27, 3 table, 3 nines are 27, again 3 table, 3 threes are 9, again 3 table, 3 ones are 3. Now 36, 3 table, 3 twelves are 36, 3 table, 3 fours are 12, 2 table, 2 twos are 4, again 2 table, 2 ones are 2. Now let us write the factors for all the three numbers. 18, what are the factors here? 2 into 3 into 3. Take next number 27, write down its factors. 3 into 3 into 3. Take the last number 36, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now let us take the common factors. So what are the common factors here? 3 into 3. So HCF equals to 3 into 3, 9. See the second sum in prime factorization method, 106, 2 table, 253s are 106, again 53 table, 53 ones are 53, next 159, take 3 table, 353s are 159, again 53 table, 53 ones are 53. Now next number is 265, take 5 table, 553s are 265, again 53 table, 53 ones are 53. Now let us write the prime factors. For 106, 2 into 53. For 159, 3 into 53. For 265, 5 into 53. Now let us take the common factors. So write down common factor equals to 53. Therefore, HCF of all the three given numbers is 53. See the third sum in prime factorization method. Division for 10, 2 table, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 table, 5 ones are 5. See the second sum now. 5 table, 5 sevens are 35. Again 7 table, 7 ones are 7. Next one is 40. 5 eights are 40. And 2 table, 2 fours are 8. Again 2 table, 2 twos are 4. 2 table, 2 ones are 2. Now let us write their prime factors for 10, 35 and 40. 2 fives are 7 fives are 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. Take the common factors. Common factor is here 5. Therefore, HCF of 10, 35 and 40 is 5. See fourth sum in prime factorization method. First one is 32. 2 table, 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Next 64. 2 table 32 times. Next 2 table 32 16 times. 2 table 16 8 times. 2 table 8 4 times. Now let us take 96. 2 table 248s are 96. 2 table 224s are 48. 2 table 212s are 24. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. See fourth one 128, 2 table, 2 64s are 2 table, 2 32s are 2 table, 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Now let us write the prime factors. 32 had 5 times 2 multiplied. Next, prime factors for 64. 2 multiplied 6 times. Prime factors for 96. 2 multiplied 5 times. Last multiplied by 3. Next, prime factors for 128. 2 multiplied 7 times. Now let us take the common factors here. 2, common factors are 2 multiplied 5 times. So common factors 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So common factor is 32, therefore HCF equals to 32. See the first question, all the 4 sums in the second method, continuous division method. First is sum 18, 27 and 36. Take any two numbers, we need to divide. With that remainder, we need to divide the third number. Let us take these two numbers. 18 is going to divide 27. 18 ones are 18. We get a remainder 9. With this 9, previous divisor 18 we need to divide. 9 2s are 18. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. With this 9, we need to divide the third number 36. 9 4s are 36. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 18, 27 and 36 is 9. See the second sum now. 106, 159 and 265. We need to find HCF in continuous division method. First we have taken these two numbers 106 and 159. 106 ones are 106. Subtract them, we get a remainder 9 minus 6 3, 15 minus 10 5. We got remainder 53. With this 53 we are going to divide the divisor 106. 53 2s are 106. We get a remainder 0. Then HCF of 106 and 159 is 53. Now with this 53 we are going to divide 265. 53 5s are 265. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, final HCF of all the three numbers is 53. See the first question, third bit in continuous division method. Let us take 10 and 35. 10 3s are 30. We will get a remainder 5. With this 5, divide the previous divisor 10. 5 2s are 10. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 10 and 35 is 5. With this 5, we need to divide the third number 40. 5 8s are 40. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, the final HCF of 10, 35 and 40 is 5. See now first question, fourth sum 32, 64, 96 and 128 by continued division method. Let us take these two numbers 32 dividing 64. 32 2s are 64. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 32 and 64 is 32. With this 32, divide the third number 96. 32 3s are 96. We get a remainder 0. Then HCF of 32 and 96 is 32 only. Now with this 32, divide the fourth number 128. 32 4s are 128. We get a remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of all the four given numbers is 32. Today we have completed exercise 3.4 first question in both the methods. In the next video we shall see remaining sums of this exercise. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you for watching.